What's good? Man, baby girl up in here finna do a mukbang, a spiritual mukbang. I think I'm the first one to do a spiritual mukbang. Because it's me, her, Papa Legaba, and How John the Conqueror doing a mukbang.
That's not Mr. Papa.
Hmm?
That's Mr. Papa.
It's not what I said, but yeah. I only call it a mukbang because I'm going to take some of B-Love's. Not take, but use some of her energy. I'm taking the top off my oranges. Good old oranges. She over there in the cut eating her chicken. Look, I ain't never seen her eat no chicken this good. But this is how people of this caliber apologize. I'm finna use some hot sauce and some honey, and I'm finna dive in. Oh, of course, I'm on that 211 high gravity. Don't look under my armpits. Thank you. But B-Love be making shit look so good. I don't even like hot sauce. She makes shit look so good. Oh yeah, Popeyes. Shit. It's a gnat in this bitch. I'm telling you, B-Love make stuff look, huh?
And you're not Mr. Papa again.
No, I said Popeye. She said, you talking to Mr. Popeye again? Where she just blew my mind. She said, something about my feelings. She said, them your feelings. And I was like, what? What you talking about? She said, them your feelings making you sad. Yeah. B-Love know something. I fuck with B-Love. I love B-Love. B-Love know something, shawty. Yeah, I don't sleep on B-Love. She knows something. Now, I'm not finna eat this whole piece of chicken. Because I just don't rock with it like that. But that shit lit as hell. Like, if y'all ain't never seen B-Love's life, go check her out, man. Like, I had got the whole vibe of putting on shit on the chicken. I don't never bite into no chicken. I'm just on 211. And it was half of a 211, honestly. I'm looking for some papers in my lap. But B-Love, she had a vibe. Show your chicken.
And a ball.
The bone.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
It is.
But I can't eat the ball.
Let me see. You eat the chicken. Keep eating. You'll see. Keep talking about I can't eat the bone. She must be full, but she won't say that. Them mother just said, you talking about Papa again?
Yeah.
You so smart, Kashe. It's so good. Oh my God. B-Love gonna have me hooked on Popeye's chicken. And I don't even eat chicken like that. That's the only reason I said I want to eat it. Oh. Other than that, me and my mom don't get along like that. And I ain't into eating no shit somebody bought me. And they ain't apologize. They don't see the wrong in what they do. But since my spirit's here and they got me, She said, you talking to Papa again?
Yeah.
So she just blew me a second ago. See how in tune she is? She just blew me a second ago. She was like, them your feelings. I'm like, what? What you talking about?
Excuse me.
Excuse you. She was like, yeah, them your feelings making you sad. You finished?
Yeah.
Put your leg down, baby. Keep eating. You got
I
some.
want some more chicken.
You got some more on your bone. You just don't know it.
Oh. But I don't like bone. Right house.
Let me show you. See that? Chicken. I would say I want some more. Wipe your mouth. The paper towel, baby. I don't sleep up here. Actually, we don't. No, none of us sleep up here. So that's why I'm letting her.
Do you have some more now?
Yeah. Give me a second. Hey, another thing about this chicken. This shit is tender as hell. People don't like breast, but I love it. Like, that. Sit up. Sit up. Told you I wasn't gonna eat it all. Now, I ain't know how I wasn't gonna eat it all, but I know I wasn't gonna eat it all. But this shit is tender. I don't know. You know, we connected to Louisiana. Before the Louisiana Purchase, we was all one. Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana, I believe. And it could be a little bit more that was connected, but mainly just us. So, you know. Yeah. And I ain't watched Be Love in a while, but Sorry be owning something. She was owning something with this one. I don't even know if it was Popeyes, but every time. Oh, another thing I was gonna say, they say it's good in Louisiana, right? So Mobile got that shit too. And Mobile is the home of Mardi Gras. You eating it?
Yeah.
Let me know you want some more. I can get you a juice too.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I need that chutney on that.
Yeah, that piece. I'm gonna eat this piece. Oh, that shit. Good. I ain't good about Big Love. Like, she be just eating pieces. I be like, is that a bone? Man, I'm telling you, that honey and that hot sauce. I think I just fell in love, bro. Yeah. You see, she's singing. It's that good. For real. I only use one thing of honey. Oh, yeah. Just remember it. I'm gonna give Papa Legaba honey and give John, Hot John, a piece of hot sauce if you want it. I think it just fell on the ground. I can't even remember though. I'm so bloated. I ain't even plan on eating all this shit. And I use the top to my thing because I got a hard doing my I gotta hit my plate. This shit so good, yo. So you're not gonna say, Mommy, I want more? That's kid shit, man. She back there saying. I'm telling y'all, you're welcome, babe. And I'm telling y'all, I wouldn't be eating it like this unless I watch Be Love. The girl coat don't be biting in the shit. Hell no. First no chicken. I've never been a big fan of chicken. I'm bold, yo. I'm bold. This shit good as hell. And then the honey and the hot sauce. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, that's a bite.
It's so hot, it's so hot.
Keep eating, baby.
Okay, okay.
If you keep eating, you'll kill that hot. Because you ain't got but white meat. Slight orgasm good. Especially because I expected it to be good. And you know how you be drinking and you be like, oh, I just want something good and salty. I just want something good and salty. And good and salty. And that's why I'm at with it. Like, oh my God, look at that. This shit gonna be hitting. Let me put some more on it for the culture. Ain't no more meat left. Another reason I don't fuck with chicken. But we love be making it look so good. And it's so good. I'm sorry. Another thing, I never seen where they put honey and hot sauce in the bag. Even if you don't ask for it, because I know for a fact my mama ain't asked for none of this shit. For a fact. My mama never bought hot sauce a day in her life. Not a day in my life. She ain't never bought it. I done bought it. I done bought it as a kid. Like, I'm addicted now. I need it. The obsessions we get as kids is crazy. I remember calling my grandma and asking her for some Tony Casseries. I was like, Grandma, I want to eat some noodles and I need some Tony Casseries. He was like, I'm going to bring you some. Yep.
Yeah.
Let me get you a jammer.
Jammer.
We'll see.
Blueberry.
You already know what a jammer is?
Yeah.
Alright. Gang, gang. I thought I'd probably sing Colet. Don't get up.
Okay,
Oh, shit. What you laughing at, baby? That's not funny, okay? Yeah. Get lost in the sauce now. I said that's not funny. So chill out. Lay down. Matter of fact, mukbang's over. Gonna pop up my new beer. Hopefully only drink a little bit. We'll see. I've been trying to keep her on a goddamn diet, yo. Cause no sweets whatsoever. No meat. It ain't been working. Cause she a Leo child, so it's like I ain't trying to give her no. If she a lion, why would I give her shit? You know? But it is what it is. 211. Still reserved. Gang, gang, that shit. No. Yeah, this goddamn jammer. It's 3:02 already. This shit is mind blowing. See, I should put some in the cup. I already know I'm gonna go get one later, but I want to have like I'm gonna go get 4 of them later. The 4-pack. 4-pack. But I want to have them just in unison, the way I want to have them. Feel me? Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and take this with me. It's a cup up there already. Alright, y'all still want to be like stay lit. Literally, I'm Kashe. I am that I am who we are. Yeah, I'm doing this shit.